Ever wondered about the brainless, heartless creatures that have survived for over 500 million years? Yes, we're talking about jellyfish. These ancient drifters of the sea are shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Despite having no brain, no heart, and not a bone in their body, they've managed to persist through millennia, enchanting us with their ethereal beauty and baffling us with their unique biology. They float gracefully through the water, their bell-shaped bodies pulsating rhythmically, a dance that's been perfected over millions of years. Jellyfish are a testament to nature's ingenuity, thriving in a world where others would struggle to survive. They are a paradox of nature, simple yet complex, delicate yet resilient, and harmless yet potentially deadly. As we venture into the depths of the ocean and the heart of their world, prepare to uncover the secrets of these fascinating creatures. Now let's dive deeper and explore different types of jellyfish which inhabit our oceans. Jellyfish are not all the same. There are about 2,000 different species, each with their unique characteristics. Let's delve into the diverse world of these mesmerizing sea creatures. First up, the moon jellyfish, or Aurelia aurita, a common sight worldwide recognized by its translucent bell. Then we have the lion's mane jellyfish, the largest jellyfish species boasting tentacles over 120 feet long. Next, meet the box jellyfish, one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean, infamous for its deadly sting. And finally, the immortal jellyfish, or Turritopsis dohrnii, a remarkable creature that can revert to its polyp stage, thus achieving biological immortality. Each species is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of jellyfish, demonstrating just how fascinating these ancient creatures are. Next, we'll unravel the mystery of how these creatures survive without a brain or heart. Imagine a life without a brain or a heart. Sounds impossible, right? But not for jellyfish. These undulating creatures are composed of about 95% water, and they've managed to survive for over 500 million years without what we typically consider essential organs. Instead of a brain, they are equipped with a nerve net, an intricate network of receptors that enable them to interact with their environment, detecting light, vibrations, and even their next meal. To navigate the vast expanses of the ocean, jellyfish possess bell-like bodies that pulsate, propelling them through the water. However, they largely surrender to the whims of the ocean currents, drifting along with the ebb and flow of the sea. It's astounding, isn't it? How these brainless, heartless creatures not only survive, but thrive in the world's oceans. Let's now understand the fascinating life cycle of a jellyfish. The life cycle of a jellyfish is as intriguing as its existence. It all starts with a fertilized egg, which grows into a larva called a planula. This planula drops to the seafloor and transforms into a polyp, a small stalk-like creature attached to the ocean floor. This polyp phase is the jellyfish's growth period. It can reproduce asexually, creating stacks of little jellyfish called ephirae. When the time is right, each ephira breaks off and becomes a free-floating creature, beginning its life as a juvenile medusa. This medusa is the adult stage of a jellyfish and the form we're most familiar with. It grows, matures, and eventually reproduces to start the cycle anew. But here's the twist. Some species, like the immortal jellyfish, can revert back to the polyp stage, essentially starting their life cycle all over again. Next, let's see what's on the menu for these brainless creatures. Despite lacking a brain, jellyfish are skilled hunters. These fascinating creatures are carnivores, which means they feed on other animals. Their diet primarily consists of small fish and plankton. But how do they capture their prey, you might wonder? Well, jellyfish employ a unique hunting method. They use their stinging tentacles to paralyze their prey. Once the prey is immobilized, they pull it into their mouths. Now here's a fun fact for you. Jellyfish don't have a conventional stomach. Instead, they digest their food in a structure known as a gastrovascular cavity. This cavity serves multiple roles, including the digestion of food, the transport of nutrients, and even the expulsion of waste. It's a one-stop shop for all their digestive needs. Who knew these brainless, heartless creatures could be so efficient, right? Let's now understand the environmental impact of jellyfish blooms. Jellyfish populations sometimes explode, causing what we call blooms. But what impact do these have on our environment? Jellyfish blooms are dramatic increases in the jellyfish population, often resulting in massive swarms that can cover hundreds of square miles of ocean. These blooms can have significant effects on the environment. They disrupt marine ecosystems, often outcompeting other species for food and habitat. This can result in decreases in fish populations and other marine life, altering the balance of the ecosystem. Furthermore, jellyfish blooms can pose serious problems for the fishing industry. Large swarms of jellyfish can clog fishing nets, making it difficult for fishermen to catch their target species, and sometimes even damaging the nets. So why do these blooms happen? Factors such as warming oceans, pollution, and overfishing of jellyfish predators can all contribute to jellyfish blooms. As we wrap up, let's share some amazing facts about jellyfish. Before we say goodbye, here are some amazing facts about jellyfish. Did you know that a group of jellyfish is not a school but a smack? And despite their simple structure, some species like the Turritopsis dohrnii can cheat death by reverting back to their juvenile polyp state. They're the Benjamin Buttons of the sea. Jellyfish aren't just passive drifters. They are voracious carnivores, using their stinging tentacles to paralyze and pull in their prey. They've thrived in the world's oceans for over 500 million years, surviving environmental changes that have wiped out countless other species. And remember those jellyfish blooms we mentioned? They're a sign of our changing oceans. As we continue to impact their ecosystems, jellyfish are sending us a clear message. They're survivors, adapting and thriving in conditions that other species can't. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of jellyfish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ocean adventures.